John from LaPorte has a funky floor.
Well, he's doing some updates. And John writes, we just bought a new house and went to remove the laminate on the floor. And he says, this is what we found underneath the floor.
Okay.
And he wants to know, is it mold or mildew?
Does it really matter? We just need to clean it up is what we need to do with like a con-sand and water, or I wouldn't use bleach and water because you kill yourself with the fumes, but a fungicide of some kind. But I wouldn't worry about it. The reason I don't think, even if it was a type of mold that is deadly grows on cellulose, which is wood, and that's concrete. So it's not really a big deal.
So maybe it was growing on the bottom of that wood.
I'm sure there was a moisture issue with his flooring, and it's good that he changed his floor. I wouldn't put a wood floor back down.
What would you put down?
I don't know, tile. When you have a moisture problem, I mean, put tile in the bottom of a pool. You know, they put it in showers and stuff.
Come to think of it, you're right.
Yes. So it holds up well if you have a moisture issue. What he needs to do is have a moisture reading done before he picks his next floor.
Okay. And any flooring professional would tell him that.
Yeah, to clean it up is not a big deal. And I don't think it's a deadly mold, but there's some moisture issue there.
All right. You got a question? Tom can help you just like that. Save money, make your home a better place. All you have to do is visit our home on the website at HomeShowRadio.com. Right there in the middle, there's an Ask Tom button. Click on that, fill out the form, and send it in. We'll use your question in one of these videos or our Facebook Live.
Ding!